Good morning friend. Today we are going to study second chapter of Everyday English. Right? Everyday English. Chapter number second. We know speaking English in day-to-day life require only attention and some awareness. Even our communication is made of instruction. For example, at class, what kind of instruction you listen? For example, get up, go back, do your homework, look at blackboard, read the sentence, do not fight with other, keep quiet, write down, etc. etc. Don't spoil atmosphere, etc. So these instructions we listen, but sometimes we give to other. Sit straight, go in line. Some, right? So today's our lesson is an instruction. Every day we listen, every day we give to other. At home, what instruction we listen? As our mother or father gives us, do your homework, don't watch television too much, right? Keep your room clean, play with your friend, go to your class, help your mother, switch off the fan, clean the room, etc. etc. So these instructions we listen at home, my dear friend. If we pay attention to these instructions, definitely we can speak in day-to-day life with other easily and simple way. Now look at what instruction we listen at garden. You go to garden, right? Gardener gives the instruction: don't touch the wire, don't touch the flower, sit there, walk properly. Don't pluck the flower, right? Don't play in the garden. Don't sleep. Don't waste water, right? Take care of the plants, trees. Don't climb the trees. So this instruction, my dear friend, we listen. At hospital, kind of instruction we listen at hospital? First of all, switch off your mobile, right? Even it is written there, right? Switch off the mobile, keep quiet, don't speak loudly, get an appointment, follow the instruction of nurse, right? So you can make a list of these things, what instruction we get at home, at garden, at hospital, even at library, your school library or college library, right? Read properly, pay attention to librarian, don't speak loudly, don't use mobile in library, keep the books at proper place, right? So my dear friend, the instruction we listen at everywhere. At railway station, at police station, at staff room, at class, at home, at tuition, at garden, at friends home, at party. Even you go to the birthday party, what instruction you listen? Please pay attention. Wish to your friend, right? Enjoy the party, right? Don't bring costly gift, right? Dance, right? Play the game, right? So these are the instructions we listen at everywhere, my dear friend. Not only class, but everywhere, right? So instruction can become your way of communication with other, and easily you can speak with other. So my dear friend, today you can do one thing. you make a list of the what instruction you get at home, at garden, at hospital, at library, at school, at staff room, at tuition class, right? At hospital, at railway station, bus stand, even at office, at post office, bank. What kind of the instruction you get at bank also, my dear friend, you know that, right? If you go to the bank, then bank manager or accountant or clerk will say, please fill this form, make a line, get a sign of manager, etc., etc. So these are the instruction, my dear friend. You work on it and definitely it can help you in your day-to-day life to speak very simple, easy way with others, so that you can get good achievement, good outcome, right? So today's lesson is an instruction, and what I explained, keep it in mind, make it practical, and definitely you can speak better way, and there is no need to take attention, but just lightly, simple way, easy way you can pay attention and definitely you can speak. Thank you, wish you all the best. I hope you like this video of everyday English of the second chapter. Thank you.